In today's video, we're diving deep into how you can make real money with Snapchat stories. In 2025, Snapchat has come a long way from being a platform for quick, casual conversations. It has evolved into a powerful tool for creators, influencers, and entrepreneurs to generate income. From viral content in Snapchat Spotlight to premium stories, the opportunities for monetization are endless. However, just like with any platform, success requires strategy, creativity, and consistency. In this video, we'll break down all the ways you can monetize Snapchat stories, share real-life examples of creators who have turned their content into profit, and provide a detailed, step-by-step guide to help you get started. This video will be packed with valuable information, so grab your notebook and let's dive in. 1. Snapchat Spotlight. Monetization. What is Snapchat Spotlight? Snapchat Spotlight, introduced in late 2020, has transformed into one of the most important features for creators looking to go viral and earn money in 2025. Much like TikTok and Instagram Reels, Spotlight showcases the most engaging, creative, and viral content from across the platform. What makes Spotlight stand out is its ability to directly reward creators for their viral content through the Snapchat Creator Fund, which has opened up new avenues for content creators to earn significant income. Spotlight is designed for short, bite-sized videos that grab the audience's attention quickly. Snapchat uses an algorithm to promote content based on factors like engagement, creativity, and adherence to community guidelines. If your video gets picked up and shared widely, there's a good chance you can see it go viral, opening the door to monetary rewards. Criteria for earning in Snapchat Spotlight. To start earning from Snapchat Spotlight, you'll need to understand the key criteria Snapchat uses to select and reward viral content. Here's a breakdown. Engagement metrics. Snapchat's algorithm looks at the number of views, shares, likes, and overall engagement your video receives. The more people interact with your content, the better your chances of making money. Consistency. Posting consistently is critical to your success on Spotlight. Snapchat rewards creators who regularly upload fresh content. The algorithm tends to favor active users who frequently upload high-quality videos. Originality. Snapchat values creativity and originality. The algorithm prioritizes unique videos that stand out from the crowd. Avoid reposting content from other platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Snapchat prefers fresh, original content. Community guidelines. It's essential to follow Snapchat's community guidelines. Violating these guidelines by posting inappropriate content can disqualify you from earning and may even lead to your account being banned. Snapchat looks for clean, family-friendly content that appeals to a broad audience. Monetizing strategies for Snapchat. So, Spotlight. Now that we've covered the criteria, let's talk about the strategies you can use to increase your chances of earning money from Snapchat. Spotlight. Jump on trends. Snapchat Spotlight often features content that follows trending topics, challenges, or memes. Keep an eye on what's trending and create your own version of that content. Adding a personal twist or unique perspective can help your videos stand out from the rest. Optimize for engagement. Use interactive elements in your videos to encourage viewers to engage. Ask them questions, invite them to share your content, or encourage them to leave comments. The more people interact with your video, the more likely it is that Snapchat's algorithm will promote it to a larger audience. Leverage viral challenges. Just like on TikTok, challenges are extremely popular on Snapchat. If you can create a viral challenge or participate in an existing one, your chances of going viral increase significantly. Be creative and make your challenge fun and engaging to maximize its potential. 2. Snapchat Premium and Private Stories. What are premium and private stories? Snapchat Premium Stories allow creators to offer exclusive behind-the-scenes content that their followers can pay to access. This feature is perfect for creators who want to monetize their most loyal fans by offering something special that goes beyond their regular content. Whether it's offering tutorials, personal insights, or exclusive daily updates, premium content can be a significant revenue driver if done right. Criteria for monetizing premium stories. To successfully charge for access to your premium content, you'll need to consider a few key factors. Value proposition. What makes your content worth paying for? Premium stories should offer something unique and valuable that your followers can't find anywhere else. For example, if you're a fitness influencer, you might offer detailed workout plans or personalized coaching. Building trust. Your audience needs to trust that the content behind the paywall is worth the price. Building a strong rapport with your followers through your free content is essential before asking them to pay for premium access. Payment platforms. While Snapchat has its own premium story feature, many creators also use third-party platforms like OnlyFans, Patreon, or Fanfics to monetize their private content. These platforms give you more control over pricing and offer additional features like subscription tiers. Many types of content work well for premium stories, but some of the most popular categories include exclusive behind-the-scenes footage. Fans love getting an inside look into your life or creative process. This could be anything from a day in the life to the making of a viral video. In-depth tutorials. If you're an expert in a particular area, such as makeup, photography, or fitness, offering premium tutorials can be a great way to monetize your knowledge. Personalized interactions. Some creators offer personalized content for their premium subscribers. This could include shoutouts, personal messages, or one-on-one video calls. 3. Snapchat ads. Why use Snapchat ads for monetization? Snapchat's advertising platform offers creators and businesses the opportunity to promote products and services directly to Snapchat's user base. Whether you're selling merchandise, promoting a course, or offering a service, Snapchat ads allow you to reach a targeted audience and generate leads, sales, or website traffic. How to run successful Snapchat ads. To maximize the effectiveness of your Snapchat ads, keep these best practices in mind. Clear call to action, CTA. Your ad should have a clear, concise CTA that tells viewers exactly what you want them to do. Whether it's shop now, sign up, or learn more, make sure the CTA is easy to follow. Engaging visuals. Snapchat ads need to capture attention quickly. Use bright colors, dynamic animations, and bold text to make your ad stand out. Targeting the right audience. Snapchat allows you to target ads based on demographics, interests, and even specific behaviors. Make sure you're reaching the right audience to increase your chances of conversion. Types of Snapchat ads. Snapchat offers several ad formats to choose from depending on your goals. Snap ads. These are full-screen vertical ads that appear in between stories or in the Discover section. Snap ads are great for promoting a single product or service. Story ads. These ads appear in the Discover section, allowing users to click on your ad and view a series of snaps. Story ads work well for telling a longer, more detailed story about your product. Collection ads. If you have multiple products to showcase, collection ads allow you to display several products in a single ad with swipe-up links to each product page. Success story with Snapchat ads. One notable success story is Skin ASMR, which used Snapchat ads to promote their new line of skincare products. By partnering with influencers who created engaging, authentic content, they saw a 150% increase in sales within the first month. The combination of influencer marketing and targeted ads helped them reach a broad audience and drive significant revenue growth. Now, if you want to make serious money online, I found a side hustle that even a complete beginner can start right away, and it's very profitable. 99% of people have never even heard of it, so now is a great time to start. Click the link in the description to learn more.